We just finished coming over the border. We're on our way to do our big week-long trip down the Washington coast. We've got 7 nights coming up. We just got our groceries at the Cost Cutter here in Blaine. Amazingly, we went through the border without anybody in front of us. I don't think I've ever had that happen at Peace Arch before. But now we're going to head down the highway to the Tulalip Casino, and we're going to try to get a spot for overnight. Okay, we made it to Tulalip Resort Casino, and we found a spot just behind us here where we can park for the night. So that's good. We have a spot to sleep tonight, so we're happy about that. Sam and I are gonna go check it out, check out the hotel, see what it looks like, and then we'll come back and have some dinner. Wow, super nice in here. Be a nice place to stay, that's for sure. Heading back, bit of an ordeal. You had to go get a player's card. Sam was with me, couldn't go in the casino, but I have it now, and gonna go back, have some dinner finally, and settle in for the night in the parking lot. Okay, here we are. We are ready to go to sleep in our parking lot campsite. Everybody's settled down. We're gonna get ready and go to sleep now. And when we wake up, we're gonna go on our road trip. Yay! All right, see you in the morning. Here's our little home away from home in the Tulalip parking lot here. Give you an idea of what it looks like in the daytime. It did fill up quite a bit last night. There's a lot of big rigs here. Lots of people that probably come here often and go to the casino. A couple of ones that look just like ours over there. And yeah, we're gonna be rolling out pretty soon. It's pretty gray and cloudy. I think they're expecting some rain today. But the rest of the week looks good. It's funny looking around this parking lot. I used to think our RV was huge, but our guy looks so tiny compared to these giant fifth wheels and A-class ones that are in here. Crazy.
Had a good night's sleep here at Tulalip Casino, and we're off to the next destination, which is Fort Casey State Park.
The Deception Pass Bridge. There it is up front. Everybody slows down so that you get a really good view. Lots of people walking up and down the bridge. Wow. This is the Air Force Base. Whidbey Island Air Force Base. All right, we have arrived at Fort Casey. So you can see there is the gun emplacements and the fort itself. Yeah, it's a little bit rainy. Sam's a bit sad, but that's okay. We're gonna still go look around. We're gonna have some lunch first, and then after, it should be time for us to check into our campsite. So we're gonna check out some of the indoor stuff here. There's Echo. I don't know what this was down here. Crazy to think the history of this place.
Here he is.
Oh. Whoa! Okay. Jeez, all right.
Now video.
I'm doing a video.
Oh, you're doing a video. Okay. Go, Sam.
All right, up you guys go. Go check out what's up there. I'll let Daddy take video from up there. Be careful.
Sam, stay up here. Or are you going?
Crazy to think of the people that have walked around here so long ago. Here we are, we're just coming out on the top of the gun encampment. Over there, Sam and Jack are looking. They're in the lookout tower, I guess. Protected, but looking for everybody. Hi, guys. So here's where they had a gun placement. And you can see the view that it would have had for protection of the harbor. Luckily, none of them were ever had to be fired. There's the RV way over there. We're bringing our stuff back. Yes.
Just like this. And repeat after me. As a junior ranger.
Keep your hand up.
As a junior ranger.
Say, as a junior ranger.
A junior ranger.
I promise to plan.
I promise.
As a plan.
Learn about and protect.
Protect.
Keep your hand up.
Washington State Parks.
Washington State Parks.
Perfect!
Way to go,
Good job.
Sam!
You are now a junior
There's
ranger.
your junior ranger badge.
He
Sam.
is
You did
official.
really good.
Thank you.
And then Sam, you also get to pick one of these guys.
Just
Get
one.
one.
And then I'll grab it from the bag.
This one.
Alright, here, let me
Please.
grab it from the bag.
Say
You want
thank
me
you.
here?
Say please.
Here's your book back, Sam.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
That's so
It
awesome.
was fun.
So all right, we're just walking about 2 minutes from the store. And we're going to head up to the Admiralty Lighthouse to check it out. All right, we're just waiting to get inside and have a look of the inside of the lighthouse. All right, up we go.
Let's go! Up there!
Sam, head inside. Oh boy.
What's the...
Okay, we made it up. The last part was this crazy ladder. What a view. All right, back down now. Go slowly.
So it's interesting that they had to come outside to go back into this.
Mm-hmm. Well, like you said, they moved it.
Thank you.
All right, let's go take a look. Ooh, at the museum. Hi, Sam. This is what the light was. This was the light that used to be in there. Oh, and look it, here's another one. This one's not turned on though. Wow, they're very pretty with all the mirrors. Well, that was pretty cool. We got to go to the top up there. Really great view. We're gonna go check out this place quickly and then head back. And I think it's gonna start to rain soon, so we'll get back to the campsite, get set up, and have some quiet time. All right, we're gonna head down into the campground now. Get into our spot number 18. So just past our campsite here and over these rocks, we have a really nice little beach. So it would be lovely to be here for longer, for sure. Just so much to see and watch. The ferry's getting ready to go out again. Right there. Got the awning at quite an angle just because of the wind. Probably put it down and put everything away tonight. So we just noticed that there is a big cruise ship going past us. Probably from Vancouver. I can't see exactly what cruise line it is. Probably going down to Los Angeles, and then it'll do the turnaround where it goes to Florida, I think, at this time of the year. But man, that thing is big. Ferry is back in dock. It's pretty cold out there. It says 16 degrees, but as you can see, Jack's in his sweater. We're cooking some chicken and definitely gonna eat inside. Gonna put the awning down after we do a little marshmallow and campfire, and then settle in for the night, I think. All right, dinner was good. Now we've got some popcorn in the microwave, and the boys are outside getting ready for the fire. So we're gonna have our marshmallows outside and sit around the fire for a bit. Pretty chilly out still. Good morning, everybody. Well, we had a pretty good sleep and we're waking up. The ferry's coming in again. It's about 8:30 or so in the morning. We were thinking about catching the ferry and heading down south that way, but without having a reservation, there's probably not a good chance that we're going to be able to do that. And the next one doesn't leave until 10:15. So yeah, we're gonna figure out a different route and head on down to Pacific Beach. All right, we have everything packed up now. The weather's starting to clear. Sun's starting to come out. There's blue sky over there. We enjoyed our stay here, but we're gonna head out early now and try a bit of a different route. We decided to take an adventure and go down to the south end of Whidbey Island and catch the ferry from there over to, I think it's called Malakito, something like that. And it kind of takes us to the backside of the Seattle Peninsula there, so behind Boeing Field. Yeah, a place we've never been before and something new. So off we go. All right, here we are at the ferry terminal, Clinton Ferry Terminal. And we're going to Mukilteo is what I'm probably mispronouncing it as. But yeah, we're having a little bit more breakfast. Sam got to ride in the front seat, thanks to Daddy. And we're pretty sure we can make it on. It looks like they're starting to load cars, so I'm not sure if we're going to be on this boat or the next one. And yeah, it says that they can take vehicles of our size, so fingers crossed that we'll be able to make it on soon. Oh, it's a big ferry. We're okay. I see it around the corner now. Will we make it on that one though? We'll see. All right, we made it on the boat, and we're down here on the bottom deck, of course. It's about a 20-minute ride, and then we'll be on the road again. Okay, Sam and I are gonna go and explore upstairs. They have all of these great booth tables all along the sides. That's great. Unless then there's the regular deck chairs here. All right, we'll check it out for just a minute. We're already moving, so it's gonna be cold out here. Oh yeah, the wind just came up. Oh, look at all those great houses over there. Oh, okay, time to go back inside. It's not the biggest boat, but they've got some nice amenities and comfortable chairs to sit in. All right, Sam and I are gonna sit down for a few minutes, and then we're gonna head back downstairs, because being only 20 minutes, we don't have too long up here. I like this kind of ferry ride. Just like that, we're headed back to the RV. It's almost time to dock again. All right, here we come into port.
Okay, there you go, Sam.
All right, back in your seat, Sam.
Okay.
Gonna be ready to dock soon. Okay, we have arrived at Pacific Beach. The sun is shining. You can see through there, the waves are crashing. It's quite windy. So we're just gonna check in and get settled in our new site.